Ng kamay. Sundin po ang aking mga sasabihin. Ano po? Nelson A. Juliano, and contract of service worker of the Philippine Statistics Authority and assigned as the enumerator, do solemnly swear that I will adhere to data privacy principles by maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of personal data that I gain access or process as part of my duties. I acknowledge that I will be accountable for my access and use of collected personal information, and it is my obligation to exert reasonable and appropriate security measure to protect the collected personal information against accidental or unlawful loss or destruction. Unauthorized access, modification, or negligent handling and misuse. I acknowledge my obligation to immediate report to the Data Protection Officer any unauthorized use or disclosure, loss, theft, or misuse of collected personal information, and any other incident that could lead to a privacy violation or security breach upon reasonable knowledge of their occurrence, whether or not I am personally involved. Upon termination of my employment or separation with the PSA, I pledge to turn over all devices, storage media, and files, whether paper-based or electronic, which I have access to, or which are in my possession. To the designated PSA officers, I recognize that my duty to maintain the confidentiality of personal data that I was able to gain access to or process as part of my duties extends even after the termination or separation of my employment from the PSA. I vow to comply with the provisions of Republic Act number 10173 or the Data Privacy Act of 2012. It is implementing rules and regulation, issuance of National Privacy Commission, and other relevant laws and regulations. I acknowledge and agree that my failure to comply with this oath of data privacy as well as the provision